This one's called the Squirrel Proof Sanctuary, and the name comes from a real problem. The homeowner was dealing with squirrels getting into vehicles, chewing wires, and creating constant frustration. The goal wasn't complicated. It was to create a clean, enclosed space that actually keeps critters out. This building measures 24 feet wide, 25 feet long, and 9 feet tall. It's a practical footprint that allows comfortable parking and additional storage without overbuilding the space. It features horizontal steel siding for a clean, classic look that's durable and low maintenance. The building sits on a properly prepared gravel base and is secured using a combination of mobile home auger anchors and concrete support anchors. Each concrete support includes approximately 80 pounds of concrete, adding real stability and long-term peace of mind. We also upgraded this build with a 4/12 roof pitch for improved runoff and added interior headroom along with a 1-foot overhang to help protect the walls and openings. The result isn't just a garage, it's a secure, intentional solution designed around the homeowner's actual problem. No more chewed wires, no more unwanted nests. Just a solid, secure, squirrel-proof sanctuary.